and goes. Like in the Rasa dance, you read how they came. They were in such a hurry. They had one earring, kajal on one eye, only lipstick on top side, nothing on bottom side. And the acharyas say that this is so Krishna can do seva, so that he can take the humble position. And the gopis, Krishna says, why is this only kajal half? Where's your kajal? And Manjari gives him kajal. Let me finish. And Krishna puts the kajal on the other eye. Because they want to engage Krishna. And this, all the Sakhis and Manjaris, they're very happy to see this. Because Sakhis and Manjaris, especially Manjaris, they love to see when Krishna serves Radha. Radha Seva, Radha Dasyam. We are all dasis of Radha, Palya dasis of Radha. And our Krishna is also Palya. He's Gopalya dasi of Radha. Go means senses. Go means Indriya. Go means Gai, cow. Go means Govardhan. Go means Gwal, Gopas. Go means Bhumika, land. So he's Gopalya dasi Krishna. He's a Palya dasi. He protects Pal. He protects the senses of the gopis and he serves their senses.